Hi guys, so it's me. I'm back after a long time. So today, after a long time, I sort of thinking to make a video that most of the people usually do, that how to style jeans. I'm gonna try to style jeans into several style, using one jeans and some tops, different types of tops and kurti. So I'm not gonna tell now that how many styles I can create because I'm not sure. Let's get into the video and see how much I can do. So let's get started. This is my first look. I'm styling my white kurti with my blue jeans, high-waisted jeans. I hope you all have a white piece of kurti with, and all of them have this jeans, blue jeans. No need of high-waisted, you have a blue jeans. So I'm bringing you up to my mirror to show you the full look. The full look, and this is my full sleeve kurti, and I'm styling with my blue denim. This is the kurti, white kurti. I have little pom-poms here. I have styled it with my silver earrings, actually not jhumka, this is earrings with red lips and normal kajal. So guys, this is the first look. I am going for the second look to let you all show it. Okay, this is the second look. I have styled my favorite crop top. Everybody has a crop top. This is the trend going on with the same jeans. I have styled it with hoops and blue hairband. I am going in front of the mirror to show you the full look. So guys, this is the full look. This crop top is my favorite. I have styled it with my hairband and hoops. I told you before. This is the jeans. This is high-waisted, and I love this jeans. This is also my favorite jeans. And sorry for the background. I'm shooting in my room, so please skip that part. So this is the full look. I have not worn any shoes because I'm shooting in the room. You can style it with boots, flats, heels, anything if you want. So let's get into the third outfit. Okay, this is my third look. I am styling my frock, actually dress, which we usually call frock, with my blue jeans. Everybody has a fit and clear dress with you, which every girl wears in summer. I am styling it with the jeans to give it a nice touch. Okay, so I have styled it with the same hoops. If you have bigger hoops, you can wear that. If you have any silver dainty piece of jewelry, you can style it with that. I have just clipped my hair at the back, and let's get in front of the mirror to see the look. Guys, this is the look. This blue jeans with this black frock dress. Everybody has this type of dress, I feel, so I have trying to style this. I hope it is good. It is, you can wear it during for casual wear, nothing much. You can wear it for casual wear. And last outfit I told you about the background and this front dupatta and rolling down. Sorry, this is the condition which my sister has done. I just forget it to reorganize, so sorry for that. So this is the final outfit. The fourth outfit, I won't say it last, I'm not sure. The fourth outfit it's an alternative. Sorry for the English words. The fourth outfit is an alternative way of this frock. Let's get to see the outfit first, and I will tell you. Okay, the fourth outfit, which is actually an alternative way of styling a dress, fit and flare dress. This is one of my party outfit, which I usually wear in a party, obviously. This is a short dress which I have styled in with my jeans to give it a normal casual touch, so that you all have a party wear dress now that you can style during while having a normal day out with your friends. So I have styled it out. Let's get in front of the mirror to see the outfit. Okay, this is the outfit. This is my party wear dress. This is knee length, actually above the knee. This I have styled with this jeans. I think it's a good casual summer wear type of dress. This has some flares in it, which I think it's really cute. And let's get the last outfit. Let me see in the wardrobe actually what last outfit I can create, but I will surely create one last outfit. So let's get to see the last outfit. So guys, this is the last outfit. I figured out one outfit actually. You can style a top with jeans. I mean to say, everybody has sort of glittery, chunky tops with you, which you can only wear in your party with some good heels and good pairs of big hoops with open hair and all that. I have kept my hair open just normally. You can just, I am just getting you in front of the mirror with a pony to give you the final look, just final outfit I have created. This is one of my really favorite cold shoulder top, which I have brought 3 years ago actually, but it's still new and I still wear it during parties. And I have make a ponytail. You can see how casual vibes it gives out. I have paired it with hoops, normal hoops, and wear a purplish tint lipstick with some kajal and nothing else. You can wear it with the sneakers to give the best casual touch. And so guys, this is the final outfit. And yeah, this is the end of the video. Do like to my video, subscribe my channel if you really like the outfits, and see you in the next video. And I am trying to make videos during this lockdown, but due to my studies I could not. I am now promoted to class 10, and all of you all know that how much headache is there in class 10. So I am figuring out some videos. I will surely try to make another one. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.